The SFK-Anchor provides an adjustable blocking, even for cantilevered window installations. It is also ideal for front door installation. Pre-install the anchor on the door frame and then install the door unit into the building opening. Adjust using the threaded pin until the anchor is flush with the masonry. Align each SFK anchor with the building opening, drill into the masonry through the holes in the anchor, and secure with suitable dowels and screws. Then fit the frame with cover caps. For sealing, simply put joint sealing foil across the anchor. Over time, the door may settle, causing the door leaf to jam and no longer close properly. For front doors with glued-in glazing, it is no longer possible to adjust the glazing with shims after installation. Furthermore, readjustment via the hinges is not recommended, as it may lead to uneven gaps between door and frame. With the SFK anchor, the front door frame can still be readjusted even after it has been fully installed. To do this, remove the cover caps and make a minimal readjustment to the mounting blocks. The diagonal adjustment lifts the door leaf on the lock side, allowing it to close smoothly again with a consistent gap. 1 anchor, 1 adjustable mounting block, 1 consistent gap.